Did you know that Tesla CEO Elon Musk prefers the Model S over all other cars in the lineup? If you're not interested in that, you might be in the new Tesla Cybertruck. Do you intend to purchase a new electric truck, or are you still using gas-powered truck? The Cybertruck might be a good fit for you. The Cybertruck is a successful product that the electric vehicle market has long been waiting for, despite having a futuristic design straight out of a science fiction film. See if the Cybertruck will alter the course of events with Tesla stocks. In a 2019 announcement, Musk unveiled the Cybertruck, showcasing the vehicle's allegedly unbreakable armor glass windows. Since then, the company has delayed the start of production 3 times, first from late 2021 to late 2022, then to early 2023, and most likely to mid-2023. With the launch of the Cybertruck, Tesla will have an electric vehicle EV competitor in one of the most profitable markets in the United States, taking on established electric pickups from companies like Ford Motor Company and Rivian Automotive that are still available in small quantities. Musk stated in January that insufficient sourcing components will force the Cybertruck to launch until 2023. Tesla Z started taking orders for the Cybertruck free of charge in May. Outside of North America, Musk disclosed the company had more orders than it could fill for their previous Cybertrucks for 3 years following the start of manufacturing. Manufacturers frequently introduce new models, such as the Cybertruck, one at a time into production. Additionally, detractors have cautioned that Tesla's sales, which have so far been able to trade every vehicle it produces, will start to suffer from a weaker global economy. Musk predicted that a recession would not end until the spring of 2024. The Italian company Idra Group, which manufactures the Gigapress, will be used to die-cast the Cybertruck's components. A 9,000-ton truck part manufacture machine was loaded and prepared for delivery, as stated in a post. Tesla was not praised in the post. Tesla has been reducing the cost and complexity of producing its Model Y by using the Gigapress. Since Tesla revealed its Cybertruck possibilities, the electric automaker's shares have been rising and traders are placing bets that the rise will continue to accelerate. Tesla has risen 74% over the last 6 months, breaking into positive territory for the year, and getting close to highs not seen since last December, even if the company ended the day in the red. Between now and the close, the options market is projecting a change in Tesla shares of roughly 3.7%. According to Michael Cal, president of Optimize Advisors, that is a larger range than the stock has seen in recent trading days. Of those, more than 10,500 were traded at an average price of almost $5. Clearly, people who purchase those calls are staking a wager that the stock will increase over the $360 strike price by a minimum of $5. Options traders are drooling over more than just the enigmatic appeal of a new product, according to Cal. There's a good reason why enthusiasts of Elon Musk's manufacturer and options traders may be justifiably excited about this specific new car. Light-duty truck sales seem to be the only viable area that could move Tesla's shares up or lower, and they certainly represent the most profitable segment of the U.S. car industry. When last registered, Tesla shares were up almost 2%. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently pledged to deliver on a number of his promises, including building the eagerly anticipated Cybertruck and appointing a successor to Twitter's chief executive. The investors will probably have to wait until Musk reveals his plan to increase the company's sales of electric vehicles. Investor in Tesla bull Gary Black projects 10,000 truck deliveries in 2023 as part of his total 1.9 million delivery prediction. Black predicts that Tesla will begin delivering Cybertrucks in late 2023. According to Musk, Cybertruck production may ultimately be completed, and vehicles might be offered for sale to customers by the middle or end of 2023. At the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas, manufacturing is set to start in June following years of anticipation. Franz von Holzhausen, the lead vehicle designer, has just disclosed a few details about the Cybertruck and teases some exciting news. Fans of Cybertruck are reassured by von Holzhausen that the design is finished. Is the Cybertruck designed to the point of completion? On Ryan McCaffrey's podcast, Ride the Lightning, he was questioned. At a Los Angeles promotional event in November 2019, Musk revealed the electric pickup prototype. Up to 500 miles of electric range, a maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, and a starting price around $40,000 are all promised for the Tesla Cybertruck. 5 days following the Cybertruck's unveiling, Musk said on November 24, 2019, that Tesla has already received at least 187,000 orders for the truck. Musk is concentrated on boosting Twitter's earnings after he paid $44 billion to acquire the social media platform. Investors in Tesla want the billionaire to concentrate on growing the EV company's sales. Musk declared in 2022 that he would leave his position as Twitter CEO as soon as he found a successor. As of January 17th, Tesla made up 9.2% of Black's future fund active ETF FFND. The EV manufacturer, according to him, had a dismal fourth quarter due to low production output from its Chinese factory and Twitter chatter. He wants to know and is going to name Twitter's CEO. Blockstanding Black did not reveal how many shares of Tesla he purchased last week at $105 per share through the Future Fund ETF, which was introduced in August 2021. He denied rumors that Musk is only using Twitter, saying that Tesla's reputation has not suffered. As Tesla's popularity declined in October following the company's private takeover, Black claimed Musk stopped tweeting his conservative views. He said that Elon is a wise man who has learned to avoid tweeting more conservative opinions. Your more conservative opinions shouldn't affect your brand, particularly if your consumer franchise is over-indexed to Democrats who support climate change. They find it annoying. Tom Zhu, the chief executive of Tesla's China division, was elevated to oversee the company's North American and European sales activities, as well as its U.S. manufacturing facility, as reported by Reuters. Black continued, Zhu is highly regarded and built a great business in China. It will be interesting to watch how he manages the American division. Tesla missed its delivery goal for 2022, and in response, Musk drastically lowered the cost of its two flagship models, the Model Y SUV and the entry-level Model 3 sedan, which account for 95% of the company's deliveries in 2022. The two models qualify for the new $7,500 federal tax credit in the United States, and the price reductions range from 6 to 20%. Black stated that despite the short-term impact on profit margins, the price cuts were important. He continued, they had to take action to get volume growth, they had to do it, so it's difficult to determine if they were excessive. Zhu's influence may be seen in both the Chinese and American pricing reductions. According to Black, Zhu is good for Tesla because he is the second most visible executive in the firm. He stated that, presuming he can accomplish the same in the United States, his record speaks for itself. Given that the stock value of Tesla fell by 65% last year, Musk ought to concentrate on the company. Wow. Tesla generated $9 billion in free cash flow in 2022. According to Black, who has a price target of $370 for the firm in the next year, data demonstrating that the impact of the Twitter transaction did not negatively influence Tesla's brand might raise the company's valuation. Sales would increase if it were clear whether Tesla planned to build gigafactories in nations like Mexico. Let's say their goal is to sell 10 million cars a year by 2030. Given that the Fremont facility produces just 600,000 vehicles annually and the factories in Berlin and Austin produce 250,000 each, they would thus require 10 gigafactories, each producing 1 million automobiles, he claimed. If 5,000 megapacks or battery storage units were sold for 50 cents each, Tesla could make an extra $2 billion in profit every year. Additionally, he mentioned that the Megapacks Lathrop, California production facilities went online in the third quarter with the intention of selling them to utilities. As a result of investors' apparent disappointment with CEO Elon Musk's lack of information regarding the upcoming models, including Musk's earlier declaration of a $25,000 car at the company's master plan, Part 3 Exposition, Tesla stock fell as much as 8%. The company's market valuation was discounted by roughly $50 billion as a result of investors' lackluster response to Musk's remarks. The company's yearly unit volume has increased by more than 5 times, and its market capitalization has increased by roughly 10 times since then. Furthermore, Tesla was still scaling up at the Shanghai factory and had only started to generate positive GAAP earnings at that point, which fundamentally altered the business's production economics. Morgan Stanley critic Adam Jonas made these claims. In light of this, Jonas believes that expectations may be too high. However, given that the Cybertruck has no Tesla logo anywhere on its outside, Jonas believes that monetarily speaking, it might be more of a sideshow to the current Tesla narrative. The Cybertruck, according to Jonas, is the most innovative car ever created and is a key component of Tesla's futuristic brand image. Nevertheless, he simply refuses to concede that it has mass market appeal. How will the introduction of the Cybertruck affect Tesla? Will the business continue to prosper, or will the excitement only serve as a recipe for failure? If you want to buy Tesla shares, or if you want to wait and see how things work out after the Cybertruck, please leave a comment below. Till then, see you. Goodbye.